Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post-market show. And today, again, markets open with a huge gap up, and it was expected because US markets were higher on Friday, also on Monday. So our markets were closed on Monday, so we were expecting a huge gap up, and exactly that has happened. And Nifty from there, it sustained, so it ended at the day's high. Also, Nifty breaking a major trend line. So right from October last year, Nifty was trading in a downward trending channel, and finally today it broke out from those levels. And definitely, if this sustains, we can expect Nifty to reach all-time high in a just a matter of time. So things are looking very bullish today. It was the auto sectors ruling the day. It was all about auto sectors. All the auto stocks, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, all of them moving up 1, 2, 3, 4% for the day, and things are looking very strong. But Bank Nifty did not have such a strong day. It was mixed from Bank Nifty and also from IT as well. So let us look into the charts and see Nifty. So this is what I was telling you about. Nifty was trending in a downward channel. So if you can see this blue line, I know there's a lot of lines, but if you can still see the blue line, you can see it's from October 2021. This Nifty was following this level, and it was the high of around 18,600. Then markets again tried to break that, but it came again, took resistance at the trend line at around 18,300. Again fell. Again in April it tried to break. It came close to 18,100. Again it could not, and finally in August 2022, now we are seeing a closing above this trend line. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can see. So this is where the market is lying. This is Nifty. So a green candle above a major trend line. Definitely things are looking positive. So if this is the case, we can expect the markets to reach all-time high very soon. So if we talk about percentage, let us see how far all-time high is from here. So it is just around 4.5%. So 4.3% away Nifty is from its all-time high. Things are looking pretty good, pretty bullish everywhere. So let us look into the intraday charts of 15-minute, and let us see how the things have transpired for the day. Nifty opened with a huge gap up as expected. Then there was some selling pressure with a huge red candle around 11:15. The markets fell, and it came and tested the day's low at 115. But then there was a buying pressure coming in from the lower levels, and finally after 3 o'clock, there was a huge green candle. In one candle, Nifty shot up from 17,790 to 17,830, and then ending the close at the day's high. And so Nifty up by 0.72% or 127, closing in at 17,825. So definitely a positive closing for Nifty. But if you look at Bank Nifty, things weren't that great. Bank Nifty, like we had spoke of earlier, that 39,400 will be a very important level, and markets took exactly resistance around there, 39,419, and from there a sell-off came, and Bank Nifty again falling from there, could not retest the day's high, unlike Nifty. So Bank Nifty looking slightly bearish. So still Bank Nifty is up because of the huge gap up 0.5%, ending at 39,239. So this was Nifty and Bank Nifty. Coming to other indices, we have the Nifty mid caps doing extremely well, 1.45% up today. Nifty small caps also up by 0.88%. So these were some of the the broader markets. Now if you look at some of the sectors, we have told already that Nifty auto sector was ruling the day. You can see a huge Marubozu candle, that is again a huge green candle forming in Nifty auto, up by 2.52%. So this is a Nifty auto for you, definitely looking very bullish. And then we come to other sectors which did well for the day. It was definitely Nifty FMCG doing pretty well, 1.19% up, Nifty FMCG. Then we have the Nifty Reality up by 2%, Nifty Energy also up by 1.1%. So things have been pretty well. And the only sector which ended in the red was Nifty PSU Bank. This is because of Bank of Baroda, which came under selling pressure today, and also we have State Bank of India again coming under selling pressure today. So Nifty PSU Bank is down by 0.3%, and also Nifty Media is down by 0.3%. And Nifty IT had a pretty mixed day. So if you look at some of the stocks like TCS, Infosys, there's no major movement. TCS actually came down a bit. It is at negative 0.26 percentage. Infosys is plus 1.5 percentage. So things have been absolutely flat for the IT index today. It was HDFC Twins doing pretty well. HDFC hitting a target of 1500, and we had expected 1500 to be crossed. And this trade was updated in the Telegram group. Hope you have booked your profits and enjoying it. So HDFC Bank definitely moving up today. HDFC also moving up. So in the right direction. We are also holding on to this trade. Hope you are holding on to it too. So HDFC looking again pretty strong, up by 1.13 percentage. And then Bank of Baroda did not do well. I know we have long in this trade, but we have to maintain a stop loss. In case things don't go in our favor, we will take the stop loss at 119.5 and exit this trade. But if the markets reverse from here, then again obviously we will look for the targets. So Bank of Baroda not doing well today, but then we talked about GAIL. So I hope again you're holding on to this trade. It is up 2.7 percentage today. So again sitting in good profits. We are expecting a short-term target of 137, should be achieved by tomorrow itself. So again let's hope that happens. We talked about LIC and Hero MotoCorp in the morning, both coming out with very good results. LIC ending the day at 2.23 percentage. So at one point of time it touched high of 706, but then there was selling pressure towards the second half, and it closed at 697.65, up by 2.23 percentage. Hero MotoCorp also moving up after good results, but there was a sell-off as well, up by 2 percentage. Now the auto stocks. Maruti Suzuki definitely up. It is at 3.5 percentage up, ending in at 9,000. So definitely very good. Bajaj Auto, this trade has been given in the Telegram channel. 4091 is where it is, up by 1.13 percentage, and we had taken a long position in this because it is now very close to its previous swing high. So definitely looking positive. Apart from that, we have Eicher Motor again. It is at its touching its all-time high, 3.98 percentage up. Mahindra and Mahindra, it announced 5 new electric vehicles to be launched in 2024, 2025 and onwards. So that was also a positive boost. It is up 0.29 percentage. And then Tata Motors, this trade was also given in the Telegram channel, and we had kept a target of 500. So it is already at 489.85. So hopefully 500 level will be achieved by this month. That's what we are expecting. So again, Tata Motors is also looking bullish, and we are already in a bullish position in this stock, and we are sitting in profits, I hope. Now coming to other stock which was updated today, that was Asian Paints. We had taken a long position over here. So we were expecting some kind of bearishness, but there was bearishness, but the markets finally picked up from the lower levels because of crude oil prices coming down in the global markets. So that is why Asian Paints is up. So that is why we have reversed our view and we have taken a long position. So 3500, you can see it was the last swing high, and it market broke that level and it is trying to move up. So definitely it is a bullish sign for the market, and that's why we have taken a bullish trade in Asian Paints as well. So this is how the things have been. And also Dr. Reddy hitting the target of 4,300 which we had given. So definitely good that Dr. Reddy target was also given and it has been achieved. So it was again a broad-based rally is what I'd say. Now coming to the other things, we have FIIs again being net buyers for the day, buying at 1,376 crores. DIIs sold for 136.24 crores. And talking about data, we had the Indian wholesale price inflation data coming in today. It is below expectation, so that is definitely good. A lower inflation is always good for the economy. Expectation was 14.2 percentage. It came at 13.93 percentage, which is again like I said, good for the economy. And we are also expecting the UK unemployment rate. So this came slightly lower than expectation. We were expecting 256 new jobs to be added, but only 160,000 jobs were added. So that is slightly lower than expectation, but the markets did not react that much to it, is what we are seeing. Now let us look at some of the global markets and how things have happened over there. If you look at the German index, it is up. Let us open up the intraday charts, and you can see it is up 0.68 percentage. So it definitely had a volatile day, but finally it is up. The French index is up 0.3% and UK index is also up by 0.4% right now. Coming to the all important US markets, again US markets, all of them are trading in the green. Dow Jones is continuously trading and making green candles. All the 15 minutes candles are in the green, as you can see. It is up almost 1%. Nasdaq, it was slightly in the red, but now it is picking up pace. Now it is again positive 0.7%. And Nasdaq also doing pretty well, up by 0.5%. So definitely we're expecting a good gap up again tomorrow morning. So that is to be expected. VIX in the US is coming down significantly. It is down 2% already. It is at 19.5. India VIX today is at 17.68. Crude oil prices is falling massively, is what we are seeing. 85.76 crude oil prices falling. So this was the last time the low was around 86.7. Now today it is at 85.8. So the crude oil prices falling in the global markets, definitely positive sign for the markets. Indian markets will be benefited, and as you know, Asian paints will be benefited from this in a huge manner. So definitely expecting a good up move in Asian paints tomorrow. Apart from that, Indian rupee gaining strength. So it is now at 79.26, down from 79.5. Again a positive thing for our markets. Dollar index is almost flat at 106, so nothing changed over there. Now coming to our markets, what we are going to expect for tomorrow's expiry. Before that, not tomorrow, the expiry is on Thursday, day after tomorrow. SGX Nifty is trading at 17,900 levels, so again looking very, very bullish. Now if you look at the OI data, how it has been built up for 18th hours expiry, we are seeing, interestingly, people have written a lot of straddles in 17,800, and so we are seeing calls and puts both being written at 17,800, and so people are not expecting a huge move, maybe 150 points move on the other direction. So 17,900, 950 levels on the upside is what people are expecting, and on the downside also 70,650, 700 levels is what people are expecting for the markets to trade for this expiry. That is what the OI data is telling us. Talking about open interest in Bank Nifty did not perform well today, and that has added huge amount of calls in the system today. As you can see, 39,200, 39,300, 39,400, adding huge amounts of call, and that means it would be tough for the markets to break 39,500 for this expiry. But if there is a huge up move, somehow that level is broken, we can expect again a huge move because of short covering rally both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, because huge amounts of call are written at very close to current levels, especially in case of Nifty, because it's 17,800 and markets actually closed above that level. So these people will have to run for cover in case the market shoots up beyond 17,950. So that has to be watched out. And so yes, that's that. Talking about the price action based levels for tomorrow's expiry, we have to, 1 second, yes, let us look at the levels. So Nifty, I told you, it ended at again a strong point, highest point of the day, so definitely going up. 17,900, 950 will be acting as a strong level of resistance, and if that is broken, 18,000 is the next level to watch out for tomorrow. And on the downside, we have supports at today's low, that is 17,700 and 17,760, and then maybe 17,720, and finally 17,630 to 600 levels is to be watched out in case of Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, we have the important levels at today's high, definitely 39,400 is to be watched out. We have said that it is a very, very important level of resistance. If that is broken, the next resistance should come around 40,000. So let's see. Bank Nifty is looking slightly weak, and so in Bank Nifty, what you can do is today's high, today's low. Either of them you can keep as an important level. If today's high is broken, you can go long in Bank Nifty. If today's low is broken, you can go short in Bank Nifty for a good trend. And in case the markets don't go anywhere, in case it trades in between this region, then you can expect the markets to remain volatile on the expiry day. So that is the levels. Bank Nifty, today's high, today's low. If either is broken, expect a good trends towards the same direction. So these are the levels to be watched out. And tomorrow, we know after market hours at night, 11:30 p.m. at night in the standard time, we have the FOMC minutes of the meeting to be announced. So that is also there. But let us see how the markets in the US close, because things are looking bullish over there. SGX Nifty is already indicating a huge gap up, So if that is how the US markets end, and again if the Asian markets open in the green, so definitely again we're expecting again a new high tomorrow in the Indian markets. Things are looking pretty bullish. Again, since Nifty has broken an important trend line, we will not look for bearish opportunities right now unless that there is a clear trend reversal. So the bias is on the bullish side right now, and let's be on the right direction, because trend is your friend, and as long as the trend is on the upside, we will be looking for the bullish opportunities only in the market. So that is all from my side, and thank you for watching. Have a very good night.